We are live. Now, see if we are gonna potentially have a setup fitting on Wednesday so we can still go to the high different city. Alright, I'm looking for a trade very soon. Yo, bro, what's good? What's good, my boy? Trader. Ooh, legs were tight. You got stiff. Got pulled off. Very flexing now. I'm just looking for the amount one is entry itself. Why am I not looking for a threshold? I don't feel like it should be tapping a threshold here. The, the threshold doesn't look that big here. The body in my eye doesn't look that big. The body in my eye doesn't look that big, bro. We have a SMT divergence with a quality pair, which is you. My boy Trader, are you still in that yesterday trade? You still in that yesterday trade, my boy? Tell me you are. Blood man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ski. Wait. How much you need to get out of drawdown, bro? How much do you need? You should be up already like 6%. You like no, those are 11 RR, bro. Hey, 11 RR. So you should be out of drawdown. You should actually be set up 6%, right? Book some pushless. Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah, man. I don't know. Yesterday, I don't know. You guys should have not partialed at the 50% mark at all. It was because that was just pure emotional, right? Just the 50% of CRT. It didn't make sense to go for the 50% of the CRT at all. That's why I told you guys to continue to take profit just to the CRT high. Some of you guys still partial, but you would have only had one trade. You have already had like 11 hour trade to the first TP. So you would have made a lot of. You would have been out of drawdown straight. You would have been up a RR out of the bitch. Yes, I'm out of drawdown. Yes, sir, ski. Man. See, this is what we doing ETU, bro. This is what we doing ETU, bro. This what we do. We do. This what we do. I do. Faginating. I booked some on 50% city on some Monday high. Bet that, man. That's good. That's good. But you should have not booked that at 50% of the CRT. It didn't make sense. It was not Thursday or Friday. But it's lesson, it's lesson, it's lesson. Because like, cause I was the one who told you guys to take profit, but during that time I did get a little emotional because I was trading the PNL, not my the chart. So that's why I fucked up the trade. But yeah, lesson. At least you made profits. All that matters. You gotta draw down. You were down what 6%. Now you gotta draw down. All that matters. LZ matters. Wait, right now, bro, let your runners, bro. You got a tight ass stop loss, bro. You got a tight ass stop loss all the way down here. Bro, I say let the runner go all the way till the 38, 13, or potentially even here. But that's probably gonna take you like at least a month to take profit because market could stagnate. It could go up. You go up here, come back down, go back up. Eventually, you do that. Eventually, hit a take. Right? You go up, stagnate, go up, stagnate, go up, stagnate, go up. That's what we could do. But as of right now, I'm just going to go for this because if I hold it here, I'm in a dangerous position. Market could retrace all the way back down. OTE, then eventually go up higher. The OTE is gonna stop us out, so there's no supposed to go all over there. But I'm not for this trade. I'm not looking for no threshold because it wouldn't make sense for the market to go back to the threshold after doing a big ass thing here. But the reason I'm not saying threshold is because it doesn't look that big visually. But the pip wise, it's not that big as well. 11.8 pip stop loss, but it doesn't visually look that big. So I'm going to nuts. What did we have on Friday, bro? Friday new. Hey, we have the chair power speed. Okay, we got breathing customer, helium, consumer sentiment. If we get the model one here, we have a 11.8 stop loss. 11. Come on, come on. Give us the model one. This may not give us the model one, bro. It doesn't look like it's gonna give us here. I mean, we do have like 40 minutes. We do have like 20 minutes to scan a closure. Oh, buying below the daily and the weekly. We're still buying below the weekly, which is nice. Good, good. Bro, I need this why we have S&T with this why as well with the other pair. Pero ask you. Okay. Boy, G you moving, but this why. And this in this case, if I were to take this trade right over here, entering a threshold. Hi everyone, yes sir. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Sir, second payout on the way, yes sir, man. Congrats, man. Congrats. But yeah, we're to OG. But yeah, one more trade should do it. This one trade, if we get one trade, it should stop. And if we don't fuck up that trade, we should definitely stop done. Oh, some nice ass stretching. Azerbaijan, 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 Azerbaijan. I just want to grab your. Oh, oh. Boys today and tomorrow, Friday's a retracement. We gotta see. Yeah, it probably will. I think tomorrow should be the one to deliver all the way already. But yeah, 'cause tomorrow's PPI. Yeah, we lost PPI. I do. We love PPI. I do. Love PPI. I do. Okay. PPIs. I. You want to say something, bro? Shit, shit. Hey, Chan, chi, chi, bougie, 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 bougie. Wow. Oranda, Oranda, Oranda. Yeah, this is good. This is telling us market doesn't want to go lower than this. Testing, testing. Yeah, I may put my stop loss right on this wick because the stop loss is right down here. So my stop loss is gonna change down to um right down here. Why? Because this is the wick. Once the market goes down here, it's gonna stop this out as well. And why we're doing this is because market. I don't want to make bullshit theory up. Hold up. Because I mean, this wouldn't make sense. It would only make sense if the market is like supposed to move to the upside. Let me look at some. Look at my period. I have my look at my journal full evidence, 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 evidence. Dilation. Sugarcoat. Stop sugarcoating yourself. Stop Hey, I had a girl who thought she was fine, bro. I was like, stop gaslighting. You ugly as shit though. You a fucking Chinese nigga. I was like, what? I'm a nigga though. Call me a nigga. Come on. Shout out to my niggas from Africa. My niggas from Taiwan. All right, chat. We're looking for the thread up. I'm looking for the setup right. Yeah, I'm looking to put my stop loss right down here. When I explain, I'll be good. Stop loss. They love to hear it, nigga. I'm find that over there. Whatever, man. Today should be a classic candle as well. We should have a classic candle, man. Oh, iron man. No 50% entry. To me, visually, this does not look like is a big ass candle, bro. Because the pip wise is not that big. For one stop loss. Visually, to me, it doesn't look that big, bro. Bro, what's good? What's good, my boy? Auto trade. See. Professor Shane. Cut, cut. Whenever I can, the close chat. Let's get a confirmation here. Oh, we're not gonna get the confirmation. I think the next 8 a.m. Canada, we're gonna give confirmation here. If it doesn't give closure and new 1 hour can't open, do we look for another hourly sweep? Yes, sir. Uh, but it's still relatively good because our main take profit was still relatively right over here. Why? This hourly IR to euro. So for near cultivation, if you have I feel hourly key level, as it does hourly IR to euro play, I'm gonna go based on hourly IR to euro as a profit or USD stuff is big. But I think is the thing is gonna like this candle. I want to see it. I think we're gonna see another. I want to see some sort of sort of fucking 4 hour play. But not even mention at all. Have SMT, political SMT, IOG. That would be amazing. Amen. How can a nigga like his boss? What a crackhead, bro. This one made a new low. Please expect that low. Expect that low. Just wait another. Wait a little bit more. Just wait a little 3, 4. Oh, yeah, puppy. Respect that a little bit. Put some respect, man. Some respect. I don't do this like that shit. Cause we need to get another purge of the low. Get another purge of the low, nigga. That shit time, you know. Gotta go. I don't want that shit. I don't want that shit. You know. Taking it too far, man. Let you bother. Just let you. Take me. Ali's closing a bullish can. Yeah. Not holding him, bro. New key level. We still have the key level here, and so we're still going for relatively from an hourly IRL SNT. So may take profit. Heal, mate. Heal. You can either for SNT or a. I mean, the key hourly key level already got respected, so we don't. But there's actually no information here. Either go look for the hourly SNT. Hey, hold on. Let me see if we have this. It's probably gonna be a purge. Right back, chat. Eat, sleep, aiming away. Shimmer. Okay, let's see if we can have SMT. And keep in mind, this is not a legit low, by the way. This is from a different counter range, from the 8 a.m. counter range. So that's not a legit low. So if he does the SMT, okay, we're fine. If he does a purge, looking for the scandal, we purged. All right, we got SMT. Come on, held it, held it, held it. Never mind. G was gonna take it down. Never. All the level got tapped, so there's no SMT. Certeza, certeza. Little. I'm looking for a bullish counter back to a bearish counter back to a bullish counter. We are fine, but we're not fine because this game. All right, all right. Was bullish, nigga. Oh, I was gonna. Oh, look. Have it. All right, look. OTE already happened here. You can see chat. The OTE already happened during the lunch session. The also trade lunch session. You should have already banked out of this. But another OT happened right over here. This OT is still relatively so. All this OT already got missed. So you have to look. You don't have to look for OT during the York session because OT already happened in the last session. That OT already got tapped, but right now still be a little valid here. Got another OT. Price at 1 hour key level, yes sir. But I'm looking for a repurchase of that low, then go up higher. Cause what matters is the change or thing trade with. See if we can have a legit low to be performed. I'll look at that. Set. All right, let's see. We got a legit low here or not. All right, now we got a legit low. So looking for this legit low to get purged. Then right back. We could potentially look for SMT with the next call at it. Next 4 hour candle. Look for 15-minute more entry. Guys. Hello, hope you're in a good mood. I am in a good mood. We did have the number one, but there's not a zero low here, so we can't take that trade, man. And this trade, this especially with this one, we're taking the threshold. Yeah, no trade. Gonna wait till next 4 hour candle potentially for the setup to possibly. Just wait. I'm just waiting till I think the next 4 hour candle SMT. Probably not gonna offer no setups here, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Yeah, take profit. Not. I ain't see his right name, bro. You bullish? Yes, sir. Gonna wait until next 4 hour candle, then decide from there. I'm just waiting, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I usually don't even do this, but because you know what I'm saying, this is gonna happen like this. I just get out of the chart, come back a little later, but you live stream. You have to stay alive. Yo, guys, what's up? What's good, my boy? My boy Yogi. Shoulder presses. Yeah, choose. Wait, I gotta save my. Where are my shoulders? The boy said buys. Hell yeah. No. Never skip shoulders, mate. Yeah, recently my shoulders have been injured, bro. I don't know how though. I think I was doing some what do you call it? I was doing some posing and I did a pose where I was moving my arm around. Eventually, just hit my spot where it didn't feel good. You know. Yeah, should be good as of a few. Good. Cause I can't push my hand. You know, my hands all the way up because it would just hurt for some reason. Like it feels like my arms are detached. Boy, that feels good. Oh, that feels good, bro. My boy said, oh shit, my bad. I literally got lost. Okay, so my boy said, skip doing chest, shoulders, and pull-ups. Wait for 1 week recover. Nah, no, it's not about me when I worked out. It happened when I was doing something else. It wasn't during me working out, bro. I don't get injured during. I'm not a crackhead, but I don't ego lift, bro. But I do be curling 135, like 8 reps. Oh, I'm lying. I'm lying. You got me. You got me. I do 100 lb of curls for my recent one was a 10, but I got cooked at the 10 one though. I was like this. Holy shit, you know what I'm saying? That didn't really count, but hey, went to failures. That's all that matters. No, that's all that matters. Like the hardest body part for me to get hit is gotta be my hardest cheat reps do count. Oh, for real? Arnold says. Oh, okay. He does. I mean, because he gets your mind. It gets your. It makes you go to failure at least. All that matters. You may hit some back with that. Hit a low back with it while curling. But hey, now that's the advantage. You're now hitting two body parts instead of one. Hey, we got something under our sleeves, man. My shit was tweaking, bro. The hardest body part the hardest training days I get is legs, arms, and back. Those are the hardest workouts I have. Bicep, bro, you been hurting my own head, bro, because I be doing it so hard, right? I'm basically training right as hell. I be going all the way out. Back, so hard, bro. Back is crazy as well. And legs, bro. Legs, you gotta be like, that guy. What is that guy called? That little for the legs one, I need a huge ass motivation, bro. I'm like, bro. So all I do is I do front squats, I do the leg raises and shit, and I do um hamstrings as well. Some other it's like three leg exercise and three hamstring exercise as well as calves. I don't hit calves on the leg day. I hit it on that shit on what on the shoulder and back or the chest and the arms. That's when I hit my calves. Do with that girl on leg day. Ah, I am not doing that shit, man. The girl was like that girl was doing that. The girl was doing like the what do you call it? The squats more than me. I was like, damn, bitch. I mean, I was in the front squat. Though. I was in the front squat. I was holding like that. He's like, like my shit was tweaking. I didn't want to go too far. I didn't want to go too far. Low key, I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I be hitting legs, but when I box, I'd be like, yeah, I just hit legs, bro. I be doing the conditioning, running and shit. Yeah, I hit legs already. I'm good. Damn, that feels good, bro. God, my shit's still pumped. I barely did any, bro. Holy. Let me see the bicep pump though. Ah, ain't that big. He ain't that big. He ain't that big yet. Ah, it's kind of small. Small, man. Damn, man. Why my bicep so small, bro? You need to eat. Eat what? Uh-huh. Yes, sir, bro. Damn. That made me, bro. That baby come back alive, bro. I was sleepy as hell. I was about to sleep on the stream, dog. Holy. 13 or 12. My inches of my bicep, it's, I think last time I checked, it was 14 and a half. I do not know how. I don't know how. I checked the measuring, I put it on my bicep fully flexed. Fully flexed. Without the fully flexed is like 14 inch. With fully flexed, if I get a workout done, the 14.5. And my boy, my brother, older brother got a what? I think he pretty sure he got a 16.5 inch bicep. That's crazy, bro. Cray cray. That's some cray cray shit. Man. Come on, we gotta see some sort of SMT here, bro. Come on for SMT. 2 a.m. is old over here. Yeah, market. No, not 2 a.m. Low is this candle. 8 a.m. is high. 8 a.m. is 8 a.m. candle high. First gonna look at GU event. Yeah, we're not gonna have that either. Because if it goes to the high, we're still gonna look for a trade. If the market goes back all the way down and gives SMT or a soup, or if the market, because the market, 'cause if it goes down here to this low, because we can't do anything else but use this candle, right? If we once again, since we can only use this candle, give me the forward CRT there as well. So I'm gonna use, just use the forward CRT, forward CRT high, just candle high, and CRT here. So don't care about this anymore. For the SMT right now, my best was 17.5 during 2019. Right now, I'm 16.5. Damn, that shit's big, bro. Damn, so you got a bigger bicep than my brother, man. Let me share you guys my bicep, my brother's bicep, bro. He's a little aesthetic guy. I say so myself. Man, bro, I do not want just to download the app, bro. Hell no. Hell. But he's a little aesthetic guy. Like I think he's right now 178. I mean, one being 178 with a like a 16.5 inch. His body weight is nice. Pretty good. Very nice. Very good. I think we get SMT. Shout out to ICT. Shout out to T. E. Yeah. Look at that, missing that B. Shout out to TRT. But damn, bro, your bitch ass shit's big as fuck, bro. On fire. How much you weigh though? What's your height? What's your height? What's your height, buddy? Don't tell me you're 5'6", 5'7", 5'8", 5'9", 5'10". Don't tell me you're at that range, bro. If you're in that range and you don't got that big of a muscle, and if you got, 5'11", okay, valid, 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 valid. I'm six, I think currently six. Trying to be like, what am I saying? I'm trying to be like, what am I saying? I'm trying to be like 6'5". I mean, right now I'm six, I think one. I'm trying to get to 6'4" because my father was tall. Like I'm trying to get taller than that nigga, man. I fuck, you know what I'm saying? Once you get taller than that nigga, then we good. And I've won. If I'm short, bro, fuck that shit. I'm not gonna do nothing. Let's see, chat. Let's see if we're gonna have that SD shattered to. Alright, come on. Give us the SMT here. Play. Then go from where, bro. I'll be right back, chat. Let me go. I gotta do something. I gotta move the car out of the way. 1 second. All right, we're back. What's good, everybody? What's good, my niggas? My niggas, my niggas, and IGs. Nope, 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 not yet. Getting a reg price retracing for my stop loss all. Yeah, man, there's no interest for me, bro. So I don't know, man. No problem, nigga. You entered when there's no confirmation, nigga. All right, we got S&T here with the key level. The IRL here as well. So the 5 a.m., 5 a.m., 9 a.m., 5 a.m., the 9 a.m. project, the 5 a.m. low for AS and DXY. We have SMT with the DXY has SM2G as well. See if we would hold this I'm looking to long this shit up now. All right, now it's time to log in. Let's see if we can have absentee. Fine. EU these has still not pushed at the high yet. Still holding. Okay, so if I'm gonna enter this, I'm gonna enter a threshold on this one. Still in SMT is still in task there. Task or task. Not pushed at the high yet. Quickly open. We have so if we push out that low, we have a legit low here. So we are good on that. Oh, that low. All right, so market went a new high here. The expert push out the high. Let's see. You was good. Remember, you look for a mom. Oh, let's see if this confirmed or not. God. What was the right amount of RR here? All right, so I'm looking to take the threshold on this one. Why am I looking to take a threshold? If the market does do a big impulsive move to the upside, does it make sense for the market to go back down? We're definitely gonna take just the model one itself, put a stop loss right below here. But as of right now, what I see that we're not gonna take the resistance block because the wick is now way in the body. But what it looks like to me is that the candle's kind of fat here, so I'm looking for a threshold, then looking. But we must have the right model one here first. Let's take profit with. Just the body actually look big. Actually, I'm gonna be taking the model one itself. It's not that big in my eyes. It doesn't look like it's that big. It's big. If he does these two, I'll take the threshold. But if he does this, man, it doesn't look that big on my eyes, man. Like I want, like if it's like if it's like a candle like this type of a candle, okay, that's big as hell. Then we take the threshold. Like this candle, even with this candle, like it's not that fat, bro. This one, I'm just taking the model one itself. Does he offer us 2 RR to the main take profit? I offer us 2 RR to main take profit. That's we're gonna be buying right on the opening price, like above it. But stop loss gonna be a total super SMT. So So if you take +6 for stop loss. All right, who's ready to gamble today? Warning, heads up, we detected audio in your stream belonging to someone else. Your stream may be temporarily blocked. You I gotta stop. Okay, chat. The audio was stopped, bro. Fuck. Audio. Media source. I'm sorry. You gotta get. Because they're banning me because of this. Ah, media source. What's up, fucker? Oh. Now you guys can't hear nothing but me. What the Sigma? What? Oh, they're gonna ban me if I don't take out the audio, bro. I don't know why, man. Nigga, see that niggas hate me so much, bro. What is wrong? Niggas hate me so much. Niggas gonna say, shit, turn off the audio before I fuck your booty. Nigga, what the fuck? Right here it says, warning, heads up, we detected audio in the stream belonging to somebody else. The stream may be temporarily blocked if you. Oh, that's why we only have 38 views today, bro. Man, fuck yo niggas, man. Alright, chat, I'm ready. I'm ready. He lost it. I had to. I took it away now, man. Now they shouldn't. Now they shouldn't. Bother me anymore, bro. Every day I get a text from YouTube. YouTube. What is it called? YouTube automation. What is this called? Whatever it is. YouTube Studio. You don't want to get monetized if you don't take out the audio. Bro, it sounds like the Indian owns the YouTube, bro. It sounds like an Indian owns the YouTube, bro. All right, I'm making too many jokes. All right, chat. Let's get in this trade. Hopefully, It's not. I'm not gonna fumble this strat. Not gonna break even too early. We're going to hold. I'm risking 2% on this bitch. You know it, Chad. You know, I know it. We're gonna risk 2%. All right, 15.6, 15.6. Let me get a lot size right here to get my bank details. Let me wait until this candle closes. Confirmation is everything. After that, the candle close. I mean, bro, no way it closes above the body. If it goes above the body, that's the weirdest thing. It has to go above the wick. It's like acceptable and acceptable. Bulla, bull, bull. Bulla, bulla, bulla. Hey, we got SMT with DXY as well. Yeah, this is like a good trade. Good trade. A good trade. This need to be a good trade. All right, bro. Come on. No way. You're not gonna love it. No way. All right. I think your next candle's probably gonna give us it because market doing a big dump. Nick. Calm down. Holy, we're not gonna wait another 15 time. So wait, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 9:45 minutes. What audio? The background audio we had, bro. The owner wasn't getting mad. He was like, "We gotta share pay." Call. I'm like, bro, nigga, I'm not even getting paid. What's talking about share pay? He said something like, "Yeah, yeah, yeah." But nigga, got me tweaking. Nigga, take your fucking audio back. Hello, brother. What's good? What's Sima Bulaz? How you doing, Bulaze? Bulaza, Buluzu, Bulaze. Bulaze. Zay, zay, zay. How you doing, Bulaz? Senor Bulaz, how you doing, senor? Doing good? You're doing good? You're doing good, bro, bro, bro. My child, I was just waiting for the more confirmation that we're looking for longs here. Who's that? Who's else gonna take this long, bro? Who else is gonna take this long? That's okay, okay. My boy Senior Balaj, your English is cracked up, man. Why do I have so much foreigners watching my stream, bro? That's kind of crazy, bro. Hey, you guys are illegal aliens. Illegal aliens. You guys are illegal aliens, bruv. Illegal alien. Illegal alien. God. That is what you are, bro. Illegal alien. My boy Trader is definitely an illegal alien. My boy Archer Trader is definitely an illegal alien. My boy Happy Joker sounds like an illegal alien. Probably is one. My boy Sumo Bolas can't even speak English right. He's definitely an illegal alien. My boy Yogi is definitely an illegal alien. Chrissy is definitely an illegal alien. So all of you guys are illegal aliens. My boy Eds. He doesn't sound like an illegal alien. He's not an alien anymore. He's a he. Who else is illegal alien? All of you guys, pretty much. Illegal aliens, get out of this country, man. You guys, I'm just flying. All right, chat, we're ready. Come on, you can't go above this shit. If it goes above that, I'm going taking threshold entry only, bro. If he does that, if he doesn't do that, then no. When this shit does that, man. He was just. If he does a big impulse to the upside, we're not gonna take the threshold. We're thinking about one stop, put a stop loss right down here. I already lost 1%. I will see how the price goes. You didn't even get stopped out. What you mean you lost 1%, nigga? But the price didn't even go down. It didn't even go down. You were protected, bro. You were protected. What do you mean, you illegal alien? think I just talk about getting rugged. All right, 15.6. If he does this, I'm taking the threshold. I don't care, bro. No yapping today. I don't know what to yap about anymore, man. I yap so much that I forget. I forget. I forget. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Keep moving. All right, chill. Ready. Do not close above this, please. Please, please, man. Please, 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 please. Oh, don't. Told you not to. Because, man, because take that one, if it take a threshold that eventually, then, yeah, many. All right, I'm looking at the end of the trade here. All right, so 15.6, 15.6. Waffle lagging. Just hope my waffle doesn't fuck around. All right, I think it's gonna be the one. So at 59, look at the trade. All right, 15.6, 6, enter a 2% risk. All right, this is our model one. Let's see if he taps. Once he taps, we're gonna enter the trade. If he does close all over here, we're gonna enter on the body and put our stop loss right on the body. Why the body? Because this one is RR is kind of off. It's only if he goes all over here, because that bet you could. And market profile, and we have expansion. Expansion. What did you say, brother? Oh man, all this respect. What am I saying here? I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. To be honest, I'm kind of geek. But what did you say, my boy Trader? What did you say? What did you say? What did you say? What did you say? Oh, come on, bro. Can you tap our entry here, bruv? Checking my bone. Healthier. Uh, um, um, Dang, I hate the back so much. Look at this shit. Haha, you will never know what did I say. Yeah. And I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. But you can see this right over here. I hit the back so much. You can see right over here that this right over here supposed to be small, but it's fat, and it's like it's not hurting at all anymore, right? It just like tests like that. Blood is happening so hard there. Look at this one, so small. Compare this one. Holy, oh, I want, bro. When this will get this get tad, bro? Iggy, we have bearish for SMT. Where? 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 Man, I don't care about the bearish SMT, my boy. Um, we're bullish, bro. Therefore, a bearish SMT here. Guess what happened? You got suspected. Guess what happened? SMT we here. Suspected. Come on. Stop playing his mind game with me, buddy. Either the market's at the threshold. I mean, not the threshold. That's the number one. We are taking a threshold, or if the market does tap the body and goes up and gives an impulsive move, then we can go back to taking the our normal model one and put a stop loss right below the body. So for the other one, for the body stop loss, we're gonna need to have a impulsive move up first or down first, then would make sense. Otherwise, no. But come on, bro, you gotta push down, bro. Yeah, up to Papa, up to Papa. 10. Good boy. Look at the end of this trade once it hits, taps it, which is the price one of 259. All right, has almost tapped it. All right, I'm in here. I'm in here. I'm in the trade. I ain't got in for 2% here. So first entry is gonna be at 56. Other's gonna be 69. All right, so there's not that much spread here. This thing got us not a lot of spread. Take profit at 38.13, 38.13. All right, stop loss, take profit set. Damn, market's plummeting here. Kind of crazy here. Oh, kind of plummeting. So our entries, first entry was at 22.56, 259. Okay. Second entry was at 22.61. Okay, we got the average entry of 20. All right, we got the right entry here. Go put an alarm here. Alarm to the downside. Probably gonna get stopped out quick here, Che. It looks like we're gonna get stopped out very quick. Wait for those equal loads to be taken. I don't trust SMT. Bet that, man. Bet that, man. Your strategy, your play. All right. Go downstairs. This isn't a thing. All right, chat. Everything is set. Now I'll see you guys later. Yes, yes. We set the entry is set. You can enter this trade. I put my entry. Everything is set now. We can come back here later and see how the price goes. But our entry is here. We could have the threshold. Keep in mind, the threshold is very to this in this case the threshold did get tapped, but I would have not entered it because the Model 1 itself is not that big. Since the Model 1 itself is not that big, the threshold um the Model 1 that says the body was says the body wasn't that big. We're good. We just good to take the Model 1 itself. We don't have to take the threshold because the Model 1 it wasn't that big here. But yeah, we're done for the day. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna come back later and I'm gonna go for right now. I'm gonna go hit the gym. Come back around like 4 p.m. or 1 p.m. Do the market recap. But yeah, as of right now, my trade is set. I put stop loss here, take profit here. You go stop loss. It is what it is. It's accepted risk. And yeah, see you guys later. Peace out.